Yes. So what is the syntax of slicing with the double colon, right? Same guys. The string of start number, double colon, increment number, guys. All of you observe. Start number, double colon, increment number. If the single colon means start number, end number. We give the starting position, ending position. Double colon means we give the starting position and increment position, guys. Increment means every second character, every third character, every fourth character, or every one character. We give the increment number. Okay, increment number, guys. Yes, let's make few examples so you can easily understand. Let's make few examples, guys. You can easily understand. Let me go to our string. Yes, I'm going to use the same string again. All of you observe. Let me open one ideally, guys. I will open one ideally. Okay, ideally, guys. Okay, I'll open the ideally. I will open ideally, guys. So ideally is opening, guys. Okay, ideally is opening. I think here only ideally is there. So all of you observe. I just take the same example. Okay, I just take the same example, guys. On this example, I am going to apply slicing with the double colon, right? What is string here? What is the string, all of you? The string is Python Narayana, guys, right? The string is Python Narayana. Okay, the string is Python Narayana, right? Now I'm going to work with double colon slicing. Start number I'm giving to, double colon I am giving to. All of you observe, guys. Everybody observe here. I am giving start number 2, increment number 2. Start number 2, guys, means go to the 2. Go to the 2. Start number 2. Where is 2? Yes, here is 2 is there. Here is the 2, guys. This is the number. This is the start number. All of right. Start number. Okay. Then the second one is not end number. It is increment number. Which increment? Here you think about is it plus 2 or minus 2? That is important for all of you, right? We think it is it plus 2 or is it minus 2? Means is it a plus increment or minus increment, guys? If it is plus increment, then plus 2 means in the forward way, take the every second character. Every second character. If it's plus 2, if it is minus 2, for example, minus 2, in the backward, take every second character. All of you, I hope, guys, you got my point. If it's a plus increment, then forward direction, take that every second character, every third character, every fourth, like that. If it's a minus increment, then backward, guys, this backward side will take every second character, every third character. Okay, like that we take the values. So as for this one, tell me now, guys, what output you can expect now, all of you. As per my explanation, you tell me now, what will be the output, guys? What will be the output, all of you? Starting to increment plus 2, starting to increment plus 2, starting to increment plus 2. Right. So yeah, guys, I understand here. Some people getting confusion. There is the confusion means observe, guys. So what start number, all of you? What is start number? Start number 2, right, guys? Start number 2. This is 2, right, guys? This is 2. Huh. Now, increment number how much here? Plus 2. Plus 2 means in the forward direction, take every second character till the end. Every second character means, say this is the 1, this is the 2. Yes, O will come. Again, this is the 1, this is 2. Yes, space will come. Space will come. Next one, guys. Again, this is the 1, this is the 2. Yes, A will come. All of observe. Every second character I am taking. Again, 1, 2. Yes, A will come. Again, guys, 1, 2. So A will come again. A will come again here. 1, 2. Yes, A came. Now find out output came, guys, here. So okay, T O space T O space A A A and A, guys. Okay, so let's find output came here. All of you, T O space A. That's all. That is the final output, guys. Start number 2, increment number plus 2. All of you guys. Is it clear, everybody? Let me know, guys. All of you. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Right. Let's go for one more example, guys. Let's go for one more example. Let me run this one. Yes. Now, I just take 7 double colon 2. Tell me all of you. Start number 7, increment number is it plus 2 or minus 2? If it is plus 2, then forward increment. If it is minus 2, then backward increment. Rahul Kumar, Ganesh Palla, very good. Very good. All giving the correct answers, guys, right? Madhu Krishna. Okay. Syed the Malik. Yes, guys. All giving the exact answer, guys. Very good. Very few are giving the little wrong answer, guys, but almost all giving the exact answer, right? Now the output is NRYN. Okay, the output is here NRYN, sir. How it is? Now all of you observe here. All of you observe. I am saying start number how much here? Start number 7. Where is 7? Yes, here 7 is there. This is the start number. From there, I take the every plus 2. Plus means forward increment. All of remember, plus means forward increment. So 2 means this is 1, 2. Okay, R will come, guys. Again 1, 2. Okay, Y will come. Again, okay, again 1, 2. Yes, N came. So finally, output here. Finally, Kaplan, RYN. All of you guys. All of you clear this example. All of you clear, right? If anyone has the little doubt, you have to get very clarity here. Next, let me go here. ST of I'll just take 1 double colon 5. Then, guys, I'm taking 1 double colon 5. 1 double colon 5. All of you. 1 double colon 5, guys. All of you. What is the answer? All of you. Yes. Just, guys, observe all of you. Just observe all of you. So what is the one? Where is the one start number? Yes, here 1 is there. This is start number. Okay. This is start number, guys. Right? 1 is there. Now, in an increment number 5 means take every 5th character, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will come again, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, Y will come. Now, do you have the next 5 characters? No, next 5 is not there. So Y space Y. The output is Y space y. That's all, guys. Y space y. Y space y. Okay. Right. Now, next one, st of I'll take minus 12 double colon. I just take the 3. Tell me now, all of you. Start number, I'm taking the minus number, guys. But increment number, see, don't worry about start number. Okay, think about increment number, guys. Increment number, is it a positive number or a negative number, guys? That is important, all of you. What is the output here? What is the output, guys? Right. So all of you observe now. Start number, right? Minus 12. Where is the minus 12? Where is minus 12? Yes, here minus 12 is there. This is start number. Now increment number, is it a plus value or minus value? Increment number plus or minus is plus value. Then forward direction, guys. Take the forward direction, all of you. Means how much here? We want every third character. Every third, right? Every third character after minus 12 plus 3. See here, the increment number, is it plus value or minus value? It decides, guys, to go forward, to go backward. Increment number decides, not the start number. Plus 3 is right. Plus 3 is there, right? All of you, right? So 1, 2, 3. Space came, guys. Space came. Next again 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All of you, I'm doing right or wrong, guys? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not there. So what output came here? In this case, H space RA. H space RA, guys. H space RA. H space RA. All of you guys. Is it right or wrong? H is there. H is there, guys. Next space will come. Next R will come. Next A will come. H space RA. H space RA. All of you. I hope you guys are getting my point, right? Still, some are giving the wrong answer, guys. I don't know why. Even though I explained multiple examples, but still some people giving the still wrong answer, guys. What is the reason? Now, here tell me now, guys. I just take the double colon. All of tell me now here. What is the output here? Start number, see, start number minus 8, increment number plus 1, guys. Okay. What is the output, all of you? Right. So very good, guys. This answer all given very exactly. Okay. So start number, how much here? Minus 8. Where is minus 8? This is the minus 8, right? This is the start number, sir. This is the start number. And the increment number, how much here? 1 increment number means 1. Yes, it will come. Again 1. Yes, it will come. All of observe here. Increment by 1. A will come. Increment by 1 means y. So y will come. Increment by a means again a will come. And n will come. And a will come. That's all. All of clear, right? Okay. That's why here our name completely will come, guys. Okay, right. Next one, st of I just take here 8. I just take the 8 double colon. Okay, I just take the minus 3. All of you. I'm taking the minus 3, guys. Minus 3. So increment number minus value is there, means backward increment, guys. Backward increment. Right? Now, all of you observe, guys. So all of you observe. So start number, how much here? Start number is 8. Go to 8. Yes, here 8 is there. This is start number, right? That's fine. Now, increment number, what? Is it plus 3 or minus 3? It is minus 3. Minus is there. Minus means the backward, okay? backward incrementing, right? So which incrementing every third character, okay? Now observe here all of you. 1, 2, 3. So A and N. Next again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, T also will come, right? All of you. So N, T guys, right? A, N, T. The output is within the codes, A, N, T guys. Sorry. A, N, T. A, N, T. That's all. A and T and all of right. In school days, we okay, we by had A and T and okay, next APPL, apple, BAT, bat, all of right. Okay, now again, ant came, guys, ant came, right? So that's fine, guys. Now let's go for one more, all of you. I'll take both negative now. I just take the both negative, guys. I just take here minus 7 double colon minus 4, all of you. All of right, all of you observe, guys. I just take here minus 7 double colon minus 4, guys. Hmm. Now all of you can observe here, all of you can observe here, guys, right? Now, so I think, guys, you all got the correct okay, how AOP came, guys, right? Now see, I love, right? See, first example, guys, when I given the first example, at that time, okay, just guys, 10% only given the correct answer, 10% given the correct answer, 90 given the wrong answer, guys, for first answer. For first, okay. When I give the second question, now some people understand, right? Around 40 give the correct answer, guys. Now 60 give the wrong answer after one exam lower, means for a second example. Of three examples, what happened here? Around, guys, 70 came. See, increasing here. The people who are giving answers properly increasing, the people giving wrong answer decreasing, guys. Right? If I give the fourth exam, almost 90% giving the correct answer, guys, and just 10% giving the wrong answer. If I give the fifth example again, I means multiple examples, guys, in different ways, almost 99% giving the right answer, just 1% giving the wrong answer. That is the use of doing multiple examples, guys. Doing multiple examples. This is the advantage. This is the right answers giving, guys. All of you. These people who are giving the right answers, and this will giving the wrong answers, guys. Alfred, see, you only can observe, right? You only can observe almost, guys, here all correct answers only giving just one member common, guys. Maybe some little problem. That's why this 1% unable to understand, guys, because of net problem or environment problem, or maybe different reasons are there. But what is happening here? Almost 100% people giving the right answer. This is what always expect, guys. I want an answer from all the people. That's why I'm trying to give you multiple examples, guys. If you observe, yesterday we have seen multiple examples on which one, guys, indexing slicing. Now also we're doing multiple examples on slicing, guys. Multiple examples. That's why almost all giving the right answers. This is what we need always. Suppose if I stop with only one example, guys, just I give the one example, I stop. That means out of 100% only 10 are understanding, 90 are not understanding, But as a faculty, what do I think? As a trainer, what do I think? As a trainer, what do I think? I may think that, okay, they can understand very easily. They understand very easily. That's why going for the next topic. All of right. So why I'm giving the multiple examples means by seeing your answers, guys, by seeing your answers. Suppose in the first example, almost all giving the wrong answers. That's why I'm going for second example. In second also, more than half giving the wrong answer. That's why I'm going for third example. In third example, less giving the wrong answer. Still, I'm going the fourth example. Here, just 10% only is there. Still going the fifth example. Only 1% is there. That's why I am going with the multiple examples, guys. Multiple examples. So in this case, the people who knows Python already, they may think that it's all going very slowly. Start saying multiple examples. Those are not required. Like that, you may think if you know already this all. The person who is learning for first time, they enjoy very well. They understand very well, guys, and they need this type of teaching only. The people who are learning for first time or who are attending the programming language for first time, I hope guys they need this type of exactly, guys, going with multiple examples, going with multiple, okay, multiple examples, guys, that is required. Okay, right. So fine, guys, now I'm giving the both negative values, right? Negative values, guys, the output is coming. I'm giving last example, guys. All of you, last example. Okay, give output, guys. Then we'll go with other topic. Okay, last example. I am taking now -1 start number, guys, and -1 increment number. Tell me now. All of you. I am giving start number -1. I am giving the increment also -1. Increment also -1, guys. I am giving increment also -1. All of right. So what happens here? Now all of you observe, guys. See, all of you observe. All of you observe here. So what happens here? What happens, guys? Now, right. Start number. How much here? Start number -1. Where is -1? Yes, here -1 is there. This is start number, guys. This is starting. End increment number 1. Which one? -1. So minus means backward direction, guys. Okay, I told you already. Minus means backward direction. And by which number? By 1 means now every character will come 1. It will come a n, again a y a r a n, space again n o h t y p. That's all. Means it reverses the given string, guys. It reverses the given string. In the interview, there is a question how to reverse a string without using any predefined function. Without using the predefined function, how to reverse a string? Yes, you can say simply string of -1 double colon -1 gives the string reverse only. All of you, if anybody asks us how to reverse a string without using the any existing functions, you can simply string of -1 double colon -1, it gives a string reverse only. It gives string reverse, guys. Okay. Now st of, guys, st of I'll take right. Suppose, guys, I'll take 20 double colon -3. All of you guys, give reply now. I am taking now starting value. I am taking outside the range. Starting value I am taking the outside the range, and I am taking the increment also. What is the output, guys? All of you. All of you guys, what's the output here? What is the output, guys? Okay. Now AYANT is the output. AYANT is the output. Why, sir? Why this is the output? What is the reason, sir? All of right. You may have doubt. Why it is the output? Yes. See, start number. Where is start number, all of you? Where is start number? Observe, all of you. Where is the start number, guys? See, Start number have taken the 20, which is outside the range. Suppose imagine guys, just imagine guys, okay? Just imagine here minus 20 is there. When the given value outside the range in the index in the slicing guys, outside the range, then consider that side the last element guys. All of you. So plus value means this direction, right? But outside is there. Outside is there. So consider the last one. The last one. Okay. Then so minus 3 guys. Minus 3 means do you go forward or do you go backward? All of you. Minus 3 means where do we go? Do you go forward or backward, guys? Right? Backward. Or take the every third character, right? 1, 2, 3. A, Y. 1, 2, 3. A, Y, A. Again, 1, 2, 3. A, Y, A. N, N, 1, 2, 3. T, right, guys? T. Okay. A, Y, A space T, I think, right, guys? All of you. Sorry, AYA NT guys, not sorry, not space NT guys, and we have count 3 characters, right? NT. All of you, okay? All of you guys. Right, backward, yes, it's a backward reading, okay? Now, the same example, guys, I'll take the 3. Then tell me now. So same increment, same start number, guys, same start number, but I'm taking the increment plus number. I'm taking the increment plus number. What will come, guys? What will come? All of you guys, you reply. What will come? Very good, very good. Just observe here, guys. Empty string will come, right? So the empty string, the 20. Where is 20? In this direction, 20 is there. But take this ending character. Okay, this is the start number. Increment number, how much here? Plus 3, right? Plus 3. So, but here data is not there. Plus 3 means go forward. Data is not there, then output will come here, all of you. The output will come, guys, all of you. What output will come? What output will come? All of you observe here, empty space will come. Nothing will print, guys. Nothing will print. Because I am not giving the 20, right? I am not giving the some 14 to consider this one, guys. So I just given the 20 means it considers after the which one? This last character, guys. All of okay, all of observe here. The last means it doesn't take this character, it is 4C because this A character has the number, which number 14. So if you give the 20, if you give 20, it doesn't consider the A for 20, guys. Why? Because for A already 14 is there. That's why. So all of observe, right? So it considers up to the after A, this ending, okay? Ending means string, empty string, guys. Now I'll take st of I just minus 20 double colon 5. Three mean all of you. All of you, right? What is there? What is there, all of you? PNA. PNA, right? All of you, right or wrong, guys? All of you observe, guys, here. What's the answer here? The answer is PNA is the answer, guys. So why PNA, sir? Yeah, where is that 20, minus 20? Outside is there. Outside is there. Then coming to the which one? Consider from the ending onwards, guys. Ending onwards, right? That means first P will take the P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and will come again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, A will come, guys. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there. Output is the PNA is the output, guys. PNA is the output. Suppose I take the same one, I take the increment value minus 5, guys. Then start number outside only. Increment also going backward, guys. Increment also going backward. Then what will be the output, guys? Is it empty or not, all of you? Empty string, okay? Empty string, guys. This is what we call indexing slicing, okay? Indexing slicing, guys. Next, what do? We see string concatenation, all of you. Some subtopics are there. String concatenation, right? Concatenation. Then, so we see the string multiplication, guys. String multiplication, right? Multiplication. Next, string. Okay, string packing, guys. Packing, and we discuss here string unpacking, right, guys? Unpacking. All of you like that. String immutable, right, guys? String immutable, like that, and some string functions are there, guys. Some string functions are there. It is all part of what, guys? It is all part of the string topic only. It is all part of the string topic only, guys. Okay. Now, what is our introduction over about the string indexing over, string slicing over. Now, string concatenation, multiplication. Let us check, guys. Okay, we'll see concatenation and right multiplication. Very simple, guys. Concatenation means taking the two strings and adding as a one. st1, I just take the Python. st2, I just take here Narayana. Okay. Now concatenation means the st1 plus st2. This is called the concatenation, guys. Means adding two strings. So multiplication means the same s1 repeat 5 times. I'm multiplying, guys. I'm multiplying 5. So 5 times it repeats. Sorry, what is the name here? S1, right? ST1, sorry, guys. It's ST1, okay. So ST1, how much time I want here? I want 5 times. See, so Python displaying Python. This is called the string multiplication, guys. String multiplication, string concatenation, string, okay, multiplication, guys. All of you clear, right? The string packing takes little bit time, guys. Okay, all of you. The string pack means it takes just a little bit time, guys. That's why. So what do we do, guys? We stop for today and tomorrow. Okay, in the beginning of the class, we'll see string packing, unpacking, mutable, some functions. This all okay. We'll see the next class. So all of you today, everything is clear, everybody. All of you. Okay. So string concatenation means adding two strings only. Here, string concatenation means adding two strings only, right? See here, string one is there. Okay, string two is there. All of right. So string concatenation means adding two strings, guys. Okay, just observe here. So this is the string one, guys. This is the string two. I'm taking string one plus string two. So adding Python plus Narayana, guys. Okay, so you can see here, just okay, Python Narayana is there. All of you guys. Okay. So fine, guys. We'll stop now. Tomorrow, see, Python link will not change, guys. Python link will not change tomorrow. Same link. Okay. Right. Suppose someone asking me, sir, if I type, okay, you can take anyone, right? See, actually, I tried here st1 into 5, output came, but a student doubt is 5 into st1, sir. Is it possible? Not possible. Tell me now, all of you. All of tell me now, guys. So st1 into 5 means output came. Now 5 into st1, okay, output comes or not, guys? All of you, why no? Why you are saying no, guys? Why you are saying no, all of you? See, simple thing, guys. Simple thing, A into B is same as B into A. Is it right or wrong? Tell me now, all of you. A into B or B into A? All of you. Nothing but 10 into 5 or 5 into 10, guys, into 10. Tell me now. Okay, all of you, right? All of you guys. So that's why you can take st1 into 5 or 5 into st1 also possible. There's no problem. Both are same, yeah, both are same. Okay, right. So fine, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.